Hello everyone. Today we're gonna go back to the basic. So I supposed to do this a long time ago when the beginning when first I started my channel, but somehow I just didn't get a chance to do it. It's long overdue. Now today is just the basic that if you first own a scooter, and this is gonna help you out a lot because you use it every day. So basically today I'm gonna show you how to do a get your bike, your scooter on a center stand. The center stand is it's pretty basic, but let me show you how to do it. It's very simple and it's easy. So the first thing you should do is make sure you have the front wheel straight, so it's easy to roll back to a center stand. The second thing is this is the motion you need to do. It's pretty simple. All you need to do is like this. So put all your weight on one side, one leg, the right leg, and then all you do is you pull it up. Put your weight and pull it up. So that's simple. Let me show you how to do it. Okay? So you put it down, make sure it's straight, and then pull. Easy, huh? So in order to get it down from the center stand, all you need to do is just push your scooter straight forward, and then the center stand should pop up. Let me show you a demonstration, okay? So that's it. Simple and easy. Let me try it one more time. So all you need to do is put your weight on your right leg on the foot stand. Put a lot of weight on it, and your right hand hold on to a bar, and then just pull the scooter straight up. So if you pull the scooter straight up, it should automatically the mechanism of the center stand should help you pull the scooter up into the center stand. So it's that easy. So don't try to pull backward, try to pull up, okay? And make sure your front wheel is straight. Now for me personally, 99% when I park my scooter, I always use the center stand instead of the side stand, because it's a lot of benefit of using the center stand. One of the benefits is it's very stable. So if you live in an area with high wind, or you have high wind that day, is help your scooter from get knocked down by the wind. The second thing is with the center stand is when you park downhill, for the new scooter or some of the more powerful scooter, they have the handbrake, which this scooter don't have one. So the center stand help you park where the parking is inclined. So if you use the side stand on the incline, your scooter will roll down and fall off. So you don't want to do that. So always use the center stand. For me personally, I use it 99%. So I always use it. And the third one is very important to use the center stand is and there's a big benefit is let me show you. This is baby right here. So this thing is the wheel lock, right? What you do is you put on put them right here to lock the wheel up, so the wheel don't roll. So this lock is very good to help the wheel not moving. Right. So like I said, the third benefit is if you have a wheel lock like this, or I recommend you get one if you have a scooter. If you use the wheel lock to lock the wheel in front, plus the headlock, which is you're supposed to use it every time. That and the wheel lock combined, and the center stand will help secure your scooter more, because remember my demonstration earlier, you need to push the scooter down forward to get the center stand go up. I mean to get down from the center stand, right? So you need to push it forward. Well, if you lock the wheel on the front, then there's no way that, if someone wanted to steal your scooter, they cannot get your scooter off from the center stand, because the wheel in front is already locked, so they can push the scooter forward. So that's a big benefit of using it, the center stand. So definitely recommend using the center stand plus the wheel lock, and the disc lock, with it. So that's it. It's very simple, it's easy. If you follow my method, I didn't know how to use it when I first got the scooter, and I have to go to the manual to get it, to finally got it, to make my life a little bit easier, because I was having a hard time doing it at the beginning, when I don't know the method. So hope this video that will help you on your first time owning a scooter. So this is just a basic function, but it's always good to know, because it's something you did it every time. So hopefully that helped you out. So happy riding, and be safe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Okay.